Olá, tudo bem com você? Seja muito bem-vinda, muito bem-vindo à Praia do Pesqueiro, que fica no município de Soure, na Ilha do Marajó, no belo estado do Pará. Essas 16 lindas imagens que você acabou de observar na abertura do nosso vídeo foram retiradas de um voo de drone que eu fiz na Praia do Pesqueiro, na Praia da Maloca e na Vila de Pesqueiro. Portanto, se você assistir o nosso vídeo até o final, você irá contemplar essas belas imagens que você acabou de ver na abertura do nosso vídeo. A Vila do Pesqueiro fica a aproximadamente 10,5 km do centro de Soure, seguindo pela rodovia estadual PA 154. O trajeto de Soure até a Vila do Pesqueiro é uma experiência incrível, pois a rodovia passa por dentro da Floresta Amazônica. É realmente um espetáculo. Eu sou do canal Curtindo a Vida e Conhecendo Lugares e estou fazendo uma maravilhosa viagem pelo norte e nordeste do Brasil, nos estados do Amazonas, Pará, Ceará e Pernambuco. Eu cheguei de Manaus até Belém do Pará a bordo do navio Amazonistar. Foram 4 dias de viagem e está tudo postado aí no Curtindo a Vida e Conhecendo Lugares. Inscreva-se em nosso canal, assista os vídeos, curta, comente, compartilhe. Além de nos acompanhar nessa espetacular viagem, você estará me ajudando a crescer no YouTube e a divulgar esse vídeo para que mais pessoas possam assisti-los.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a strive. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah.
Essa é a praia da Maloca. Eu vou mostrar só um pedacinho para vocês, pois farei um vídeo só com a praia da Maloca.
We'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
obrigado pela tua companhia. Continue assistindo os nossos vídeos e nos acompanhando nessa espetacular viagem pelo norte e nordeste do Brasil.